Hello everyone, welcome back to our second video, and in this video we are going to practice several examples about angle outside the circle. As we mentioned in the previous video, we only follow the one formula, which is difference of the two intercepting arcs, then divided by 2. Even though we have 3 different cases, but the idea is actually quite similar. So in this video we are going to work on these 3 examples, and let's check one by one. So the first example, we have a picture here, and we are going to we have 2 arcs. Let's label them. So we have 2 arcs, maybe probably 2. One piece is this one, and another one is this one, and both are labeled. One is 141 degrees, the other one is 61 degree, and now we need to figure out the value of x, which is angle C. So based on the information we mentioned, the answer is actually we need to find the difference between these 2 arcs, since they already mentioned, given, so we just need to plug into the formulas. And we already know this is 80, difference is 80 divided by 2, so this is going to be 40 degree, which means this angle C is 40 degree, right? So this is how do we do this, very straightforward. Now let's check this one. So in this one, on the picture here, we have JL is labeled as 110 degree. And that's it. That's only a piece of the arc we know. And we need to figure out the angle K. So as we mentioned before, in order to find the angle outside the circle, what we need to do is we always need to find the difference between 2 intercepting arcs, right? But apparently we have only one piece of the arc. But since, as you can see, once we see the bigger piece, the major arc is connecting to the smaller one, they make a whole circle. So we know this, the rest piece here is going to equal to 360 minus 110. Because the whole circle is 360, so we clearly know that it's going to be 250 degree for the bigger one, right? So now we have enough information. We just need to plug into the formula. So we use a bigger arc, subtract the smaller piece, divided by 2. Again, always find the difference first, then use the difference divided by 2. That's the most important thing, do not forget. So this angle K here is actually 70 degree. Okay, so this is how we use a formula to find it out. Now let's check the last example here. This example, we have many information. First of all, we know cm is the diameter. They cut the circle. Remember, this is a circle symbol here. And also, when we extended the diameter, it intersects the tangent. Keyword here, tangent, at point Y. And we know, it's always a good idea to label any information you have on the picture so it's easy to see. We know this is 40 degree. So now we need to know angle Y. Okay, so as we mentioned, in order to find angle Y, we need 2 pieces of arcs. One is a smaller one, the other one, let's just, trace them. This is going to be the 2 intercepting arcs, right? We use these 2 lines, conclude these 2 arcs. So clearly we already know this is 40 degree, but we don't know this piece, right? So you can definitely pause the video, think about what will be your answer. How can you figure out this one? So one key information here is cm is a diameter. That means the whole half of the circle, as you can see, connected by the blue piece and the pink one is going to be 180 degrees. So this is a whole part is 180, right? So in order to find the rest piece, we just need to subtract from 180. And then we are going to figure out this one. So I'm going to, this is L, so I'm going to figure out the arc LC, which is this piece. This is going to be 180, subtract 40, this is going to be 140 degrees. So that means this part is 140 degree. Now we have enough information, so we are going to So the bigger arc, 140. Smaller arc is 40. So subtract it, done. Find the difference and then divide by 2. Very important. Always find the difference first. And then divide by 2, which is 50 degrees. And that's it. That's our answer. Okay, so that's all the 3 examples I share with you. As you can see, sometimes the information is not given directly. You have to use some extra information to lead to the necessary information you need to find in order to find the answer. Sometimes we have very direct information. We just need to use a formula as we mentioned, figure out the answer. But always remember, whenever you want to use calculator, use mental math, but always find the difference first and then divide by 2. Okay, if you have any question regarding this, I always suggest to rewatch these examples or even pause the video to practice on your own to check if you have same answer as mine. And this is always a good way to study these topics. Thank you so much again for watching this video, studying this topic with me. Take care, everyone. See you soon.